guys, this is Kashish Rana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about cloud native applications. First of all, we will talk about what is cloud native. It means everything that is made and run within the cloud. Encourage your organization by making the cloud native app development procedure improved, infrastructure more adaptable, and architecture more moldable. These apps help the companies to handle disruptive challenges also. A cloud native application is often defined as a collection of small and independent services that are loosely coupled and deployed during a cloud environment. This approach of app development helps in an exceedingly growing business because the companies can quickly build and launch the apps. The risks are minimized because the failed components are easier to exchange. Recovering from any type of failure isn't a challenging process. The developers can integrate the safety measures or features within the apps from starting rather than pondering the identical after concluding the event work. The enterprises looking forward to this approach have automated their IT operations, which has helped them in minimizing human errors. Now the question is the cloud native apps the long run of software development? The app developers and businesses appreciate the very fact that an application might be segmented into different microservices. A selected team can handle one microservice which can take care of the particular functionality of an app. Scaling up is indeed easier with this process or approach. Whether or not a corporation isn't moving to the cloud, this approach is undoubtedly impacting the way they develop apps within the future. No doubt there are some challenges like difficulty in managing or monitoring, but such challenges may be taken care by employing a set of tools and skills of the app developers. For example, Retrace is an appropriate tool to gather the data from each system in a very cloud native app. First thing is service integration. Since a cloud native app is intended with several services, the developers might consider it challenging for connecting them. They must confirm that every service is well sized. They must try and lower the number of services since it can translate into maximized integration and complexity related challenges. A trustworthy cloud native developer makes sure the handling and building of those apps don't have any such challenges. Second thing is about data storage. Serverless functions and containers used through an immutable infrastructure model generally don't seem to be sufficient for permanent data storage. The explanation is the disruption of total internal data when the app turns off. Third thing is about data security. A cloud native application developer has the methods to protect the data from unauthorized access. This is often relevant shift while in utilization or at rest. Some tools like IBM Key, Protect, Intel SGX, and IBM Certificate Manager are utilized by the developers for maintaining data security. Another thing is about complexity during migration. In case a cloud native app is distributed on a specific cloud, there are possibilities that APIs utilized in that app won't work on another cloud service. This happens when a native cloud API completely belongs to a particular public cloud, and these APIs is also can't add an area environment.
So guys, before moving forward, let's have some fun. Is cloud native applications are the future of the software development? What do you think? Tell us in the comments down below.
So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.